Hi guys, my name is Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Today I'm going to be discussing what to do when a passenger enters your car with alcohol. But before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and that would help us out so much. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel to receive more videos on Uber and Lyft. Alright, let's get into it. You pick up a passenger and you see them standing there with a red cup. It's an open container of alcohol. They may try to get into your car without letting you know, or they may ask you, can I bring this into your car? Of course, the response should be no. I drive in California and you cannot drive with passengers having an open container of alcohol. So if I get caught with them having a cup of alcohol, I get blamed for it. So that's a ticket for me and maybe something on my driving record. I mean, I don't want to lose my job and I don't think you guys would want to either. So just nicely tell them no, they may not bring that into your car. If they don't tell you about it and they're trying to like be sly about having alcohol in your car, you can just let them know, like, I know that's alcohol, you have to drink it before we start the ride, or I need to cancel the ride on you. So basically just be honest with them. If they're giving you a hard time or being like, oh, it's okay, I'll hide it or whatever, don't believe them. I mean, this is your job. You can lose this opportunity to drive for Uber and Lyft, and what for? To let somebody else drink and enjoy a car ride? Like, no, it's really not worth it. Just kindly tell them no. If they don't comply, cancel the ride on them. And that's pretty much what I do. There's been a few times where that has happened. Either people have been really nice about it and they just down their drink, or they just threw it out. So no big deal. So once again, this video was on what to do when a passenger enters your car with alcohol. And thank you for watching. My name is Crystal, and this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub.